This is Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So as you can see, my parental controls are, well, indeed active. Let me relaunch the settings to show you that once again and prove that as well. So as you can see, they, well, obviously are. From here, enter the Google category of settings, tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. Once the Google Account Management Center will get loaded, tap at the Data and Privacy, scroll the page all the way down, and go for the Delete Your Google Account option. Do not be afraid, we will restore the account after parental controls will be disabled, so you will not lose it. In here, make sure to enter the password to the child's Google account. Then click at the Next button. Then at this following page, check those two boxes over here and confirm the account deletion. So from here you can get two types of messages. You can either get the one saying that something went wrong, as I did, or the one that will explicitly say that the account deletion was successful. Both are fine. So from here, let me quickly enter the settings and show you that my parental controls were successfully disabled. As you can see, there is no Google account linked, thus if I'll go to parental controls, there will be none. From here, all that it's left to do is to restore or recover the account, which you can very easily do by logging in with it into the Play Store. So in here, I will quickly enter the email address. Then, as you can see by this message, we are on the right track. We'll proceed and now simply enter the password as well. And click at the Next button. And in most occasions you will get the something went wrong message. That is also completely fine, do not be afraid. At this point, actually, I will give you a little spoiler that the Google account was successfully recovered and it's no longer erased or deleted. But I will still go ahead and use it to log into the Play Store in order to prove that to you. So enter the credentials one last time and proceed with the Google account login as you would normally do. And as you can see, the Google account was restored, parental controls were deactivated, so great success already. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.